Hey guys, on this video I'm going to give a brief walkthrough on how to install 7-zip on Windows 10. So go ahead and open up Edge here, and I guess we can Google. We're going to type in 7-zip. Looks like it's going to be the first link here. I am on a 64-bit operating system. They've got a few releases here. One's a stable, and then I guess one's the beta. We'll go ahead and download stable 64-bit. Save it as to our downloads folder here, and go ahead and run it. There's our UAC prompt. We'll hit yes to that. I'll minimize that edge window so we can see this better. So it's going to install to program files 7-zip, and we'll click install. Close out of it. Go to our start menu, and there it is. I'll go ahead and right click on it, and I'll pin it to taskbar, and then I will also open the file location. Not quite sure why I didn't create a desktop icon, but I'll right click on that and then tell it to go ahead and create a shortcut to the desktop. Alright, so once that's done, we have it installed, and pretty much we can you can use this to extract any compressed files, folders, EXEs. I don't have anything on this machine per se that we can extract, but if you were to have something that was compressed, you can use it to extract it and dig into it a little bit better. Alright, that'll do it. Take care, guys. If you like this video, feel free to like it, share it out, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.